Hey Internet. So today we're going to be talking about Hole Wizard. Why would you use Hole Wizard versus Extruded Cut? So Hole Wizard just gives you a range of holes to select from. So this would be ideal for manufacturing components. So let's say you want to counter bore and it's in metric and yep, hex bolt is fine. So maybe you want like an M10 um, size, M10 thread. So do you want it to be through all, or do you want it to be like next or blind? So like it stops midway. We'll just pick through all for now. Okay, and now we just click position. So just left click and then it should highlight. Let's just do it in the center and click the tick. So now we got a counter bore. That's M10 size and it's gone all the way through. So your bolt head will go through. I'm sorry, no. Your bolt head will sit in this counter bore and then your bolt will go through. So that's what Hole Wizard's used for. It's mainly for specific components with bolts and screws. So another example would be countersunk. So this might be for your screws. Settings, same settings. So again, just click anywhere. Ideally, you would have your position sketched out, and then you can just put your holes into those points. So that's what a countersunk hole looks like. And yep, that's it. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment, share with your friends, ring the bell, do that good stuff. As always, see ya.